Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. Today we're gonna have a holiday from Walgreens. So thank you for joining me and hope you stick around to see the show and see what I bought. So here is nail stuff, and I've been trying to take care of my nails. Well, here's a deal. Those are $3.75. Here's more deals. Everything's out. Skincare product. Oh, I love the Burt's Bees. See, $4 or 2 for $7. The lip balms and the chapstick. Here you can find the sale for sunscreen, $1.49. They were $13.99. So this one's got vitamin E in it. I'm gonna get this one for Mom. Oh, and look, cotton balls. I absolutely can't go without cotton balls. They're $1.99. There's more cotton rounds and stuff. More cotton balls. And there's those towels that went viral. It says cash rewards 5% if you buy one at 10. It's a big box. Look at this beautiful makeup. These are not on sale, but they have low prices anyway. Here's the nail stuff. So, the $6. These Insta Dry Sally Hansen. Ooh, those are good. Those keep your nails nice and strong. This was like my holy grail back in the day. They have hand and foot mask too, and nail mask. Ooh, I need that. It's $12.50, and then they have growth serums, 14, 71, 18. But all of these nail products help keep your nail healthy. That's what I like about Sally Hansen, because you can talk about colors all you want, but for me, it starts at the beginning. So a little bit more. CoverGirl, Almay. There's sales on stockings and stuff. Sometimes they have clothes on sale. Hand soap. Look at this. This aloe hand soap is $2. Some good for right now, but it's good to know. So they have red shirts at $15. These are cute with the card. These stickers with the llama, you know, and the cactus, they're 63 cents. And then they have folders for 43. And men's groom hair color. Oh, look at these little $3.19. I use these. $9.29. Oh, look at these little gummies. They're $1.50. Hydration. So this is lotion for $1.09. It was $10.99. So I'm gonna leave y'all to that one because I have some. Here's the blueberry, strawberry, banana, vanilla, and Yoo-hoo. The peanut butter wafers. They even have little panda for $1.25. And then the chocolate one. Look at this big bag of ricotta. Penne ricotta. $1.25. And the Spam, $1.25. I'm trying to think of what I need. I didn't even think of what I need. I just came here to get some little things. Pickles. Get some of these. And I definitely need one of these. I'm gonna get the lavender color. So it's pretty cool. Oh, like washcloths for $1.25 and scrub pads for $1.25. This is cool. I'm still not there yet. We're getting there. Hello, welcome back. I have the haul. I ate today's fish fry, but you can check out my video, mukbang fish fry Friday. And this is the haul. And yeah, I spent like $12 on this stuff. Look at, aren't these cute? I told you they're like $1. And you know what? Easter's coming up. Y'all gonna want to stock up. They got a few of them out already. These are good baskets. If you can't find any on the cheap, they're medium-sized basket. You can use them for adult or children. But look, I got this for my stuff. And of course I got this for my mom. It was like $2. Usually it's 14 bucks. And it's vitamin E. So it's moisturizing, SPF 30. So this is pretty good. I use SPF as high as I can get because I don't like freckling and I don't like burning. But if you like a little sun in your life, I'm pretty sure you would probably use 32. And this one, it says it's gluten-free and vegan and water resistant up to 80 minutes. Walgreens brand. And the important part is that, you know, it's got, well, the important part is it's sunscreen, and also that you can spray it evenly all over your body. And you just spray it before you get into water or get anywhere near the water, or you hit the sun, which a lot of places, like, you're always in the sun. I just restocked my cup. These are also $1. These were also $1 something, so under $2 everything. This was cotton balls, and I mean, you can get these for like $3, under $5 anywhere you go, but they're $2, like $1 something at Walgreens. I mean, you'll find them online for like $2, $3, but for me it was convenient and cheaper. And the last thing I got was children's black elderberry. It says it may support immunity. It has vitamin C and zinc. I'm gonna try these because you guys know I do my vocals and I drink ginger all the time to help that. But because like I feel like I should be doing a little bit more, I bought these. Like I said, they're usually like $14 or maybe 10. I don't remember. They're probably like 10 bucks, and I was like $2 or whatever. This is like very, very important to me to keep my vocals on point. You gotta have sharp vocals if you're gonna be, you know. And this is for children. This is 3 years of age and older. Fully chew 1 gummy daily. So it says just 1 is good. And they're, like I said, they're for kids, so they're like small. Look. See how little they are? These are elderberry, which is good for you. Anyway, your immunity, but also, you know, like when you're I'd say your respiratory, like that area, like bronchial, you know, like bronchitis, like your throat and all, you know, it just keeps your airflow, your air valve, that's what I call it, your air valve, that part, you know, it's like a centric part of your respiratory system. And let's taste it. It's like raspberry, right? It's good. I think it's natural flavors. 50 milligrams of black elderberry. It's equivalent to 1.7 grams of black elderberry fruit. So it contains sugar, corn syrup, ascorbic acid, less than 2% of black elderberry extract, canola wax, citric acid, maltodextrin, right? The natural flavors, which are lemon and raspberry pectin, sodium citrate, vegetable oil, zinc citrate. So it has vitamin C, vitamin zinc, and see, 4%. And 5 calories in one gummy. So that's important. So it does contain sugar, which is not a lot, you know, because like if you're a kid, you want some sugar in your with your vitamin. Trust me, I know. So I mean, they're pretty like, they don't have like a flavor, you know what I mean? Like you take some vitamins and they have like a flavor, like bombs your mouth with flavor, like the Flintstone vitamins bombs your mouth with flavor, you know. And like other gummies, like they're kind of big and it like bombs your mouth with like candy flavor. But these are kind of more, I say they're more natural, and I like them, and I hope they work because I've been trying everything. And the last time I was drinking elderberry because I thought, why drink ginger, and that's helpful. And I didn't really notice it at the time if it was helpful or not. So I'm trying it again, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one, my Sunday front. Bye bye.